Hello everyone, this is Vadi Joseph YouTube, and I have another video. Sorry I haven't been uploading. My Mac was not working for a bit, so I had to go get it serviced because the screen kind of cracked. So yeah, and I wanted to get that fixed. So here we go. For tonight's light is I used my utility light with my utility outlet. So anyway, let me show you how to change the air filter of a 2002 Saturn SL2. Here we go. You don't need any tools except your hands, and all you need also is some brains. Let's get in it. So what you do first is you take these little clips off. There should be 4 of them. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. All good. Then lift this up. Hold on. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Put it right there over the battery bar. And there you go. This is the air filter. I got a Fram Focus. A Fram CA7094. Let me repeat. CA7094. This is a Fram air guard. Okay, so I guess you just reinstall it. Make sure you don't touch those because bad things will happen. So here we go. Make sure to slide over here. Don't want to touch the hood bar. Make sure that's settled in. Clipped in. Clipped in. Come on, focus, camera. Clicked in. Okay, well, this concludes the video of the 2002 Saturn SL2 air intake filter change. Okay, see you guys for the next video. Bye.